welcome back to another horrible video. And we are here today back in Waste Space. I'm gonna teach you how to make an automated nuclear waste farm. So first you want to do the basic setup of making, an automatic nuclear reactor. Have some manual controls on the front here. Then over here, temperature sensor pink. You want to have 1001 and 10,000, just like that, no difference. That's set to activate. Then, for blue, you want to have 20 and 1000, don't change it at all. And you want to have it deactivate blue. Next, you want to have some form of uranium. I just have a pipe of uranium, or a chute, going in here. Connected like that. So, once you have all of that set up, you're ready to start getting to work on it. So right here we have an activation button to turn it on. Just place it like there. That is 3 studs. Just make sure you do that. Next, you want to place a 2-stud long delay wire right there on the edge of that button, and you want to set it to 240 seconds. That's 4 minutes. Set it exactly to that time. Oh, hold on, I just realized a problem. Okay, make sure that the transformer is like that and does not touch the other delay wires. Once you do that, we have delay wires here. Alright? All 4 of these delay wires are set to 2. They need to be on 2 exactly. And each delay wire has to have a polysilicon on mode 2 or flip-flop. Yeah, flip-flop mode, which is orange. It needs to have, each one has to have an individual polysilicon, or else it's not going to work. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 polys and 4 delay wires. Next, you want to have a trigger wire. 2 of them, so they can reach over here. We're gonna wanna connect that. Okay, make sure that's connected. That trigger wire to these. You wanna make sure that these delay wires are touching this dispenser. This first one here needs to be set to 1, and the second one needs to be set to 4. Once you do that, make sure it's there. Once you do that, hold on a second. Alright, once you do that, place this bin back here. This is for nuclear waste. It needs to be right there, so when it ejects your, the nuclear waste, it goes into there, and you can collect it. Next, you want to have a transformer here, set to 256 seconds. Don't change that number. You're going to need a form of power. And I just have a switch here so I can turn it on and off. Now, you're gonna wanna activate, the thing for a startup process, and then press that. Now, it's on, it's on its, starting process procedure. If you want good measure as well, you could change this to 270 for good measure. So yeah, that's how you make the nuclear waste reactor. When this delay wire here is done, it will go from that one and eject 1 nuclear waste, and we'll go to that one, eject 1, eject, then it goes over here, activates both of those delay wires, Then it goes... First it activates that one, which will turn that on and put new uranium in it. And then it will activate that one and turn it off, so it stops putting uranium in. And then the transformer here should start it back up, start this delay wire back up by itself, so it can start repeating the process over and over again. This delay wire here makes sure that the uranium gets used enough to the point where it can actually turn into nuclear waste. So yeah, that's how you make an automated nuclear waste generation system. I hope you guys hated this horrible video, and I won't see you next time. Goodbye.